Hello. Today we are going to go over how to remove and install the shelf clips and shelving in our refrigerators and freezers. To remove the shelf clip, push up from the bottom of the clip and unhook the top tab out of the pilaster. To reinstall the shelf clip, insert the top tab into the pilaster at the desired height, then push up on the bottom of the clip to snap the bottom tab into the pilaster. To remove the shelving from the cooler, simply lift the shelf off of the shelf clips. You may need to remove the shelf at an angle. To reinstall the shelf, just place the shelf back onto the shelf clips as shown. Thank you for watching this training video.